Hello, I'm Dr. Maru Espino, an aesthetics and anti-aging doctor, and we're here at Dr. Vita Health Talk. We are going to talk about this new exciting product that prevents cancer. Let me talk about the newest product of Dr. Vita Opcumin Pro with Equine Placenta. We all know that cancer is a dreaded disease. It is one of the common causes of death for both men and women. The problem with cancer is it's a silent killer. This is why proper supplementation is better to prevent the disease, so as to protect you and your family from getting it. Let me show you the power behind the cancer-fighting Dr. Vita Opcumin Pro with Equine Placenta. The Opcumin Pro with Equine Placenta fights cancer cells, builds immune defenses, maintains immune activity in the body, enhances immunity, and suppresses inflammation. The Opcumin Pro with Equine Placenta has the following ingredients: grapeseed extract, which is high in content of proanthocyanidin (OPC) that reduces the area of the tumor cancer. Cranberry extract is a North American ruby against a variety of rectal cancer cells. Multivitamins supplements the body's basic nutrients and enhances immune defense. Zinc gluconate reverses immune deficiency and reduces the time of onset. Patented Fibersol 2 absorbs toxins in the body, promotes intestinal peristalsis, and expels the toxins from the body. Patented Turmeric extract, highly concentrated curcumin that inhibits tumor cell survival and exerts anti-cancer effect. Horse placenta powder stimulates skin cell repair, regeneration, and anti-aging. When prevention is definitely better than cure, Dr. Vita Opcumin Pro with Equine Placenta is here for you. Dahil mula bata hanggang pagtanda, ibang mag-alaga ang Dr. Vita.